back, first timers. If you're new here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
In our last episode, you saw us solve a murder at a 1950s sock hop murder mystery dinner.
In this episode, we're trying drinks from the company called Moment.
I'm a little ticked off, a little angry, hangry really. I don't know how many of you guys have really rough work weeks leading into the weekend, and I know I sure did. In this video, we're actually going to be looking and reviewing drinks from momentdrinks.com. We're going to give them an honest review and see if it's something that we like. They do claim to reduce stress, reduce cortisol, improve mood without any CBDs or alcohol, just using natural ingredients. And right now, I need all of the natural ingredients to improve my mood. So Terry and I did dry January, and we're looking at rolling that into Lent, which I usually give up alcohol for Lent every year. These drinks could be a good option as a drink alternative if you're giving up alcohol for small stretches of time or for the long haul. So Terry, why don't you tell us a little bit more about Moment Drink?
They have a variety of different flavors. They come in sparkling and still, depending on your preference. They don't contain any caffeine, no added sugars. A lot of them have vitamins. Well, they all have vitamins in them.
And they use L-Theanine for clarity and Ashwagandha for rest.
They're called Moment because the company says it's like taking a moment for yourself, or it's like drinking your meditation.
It's like a meditation in a can.
Yes, I think you need it.
So I'm pretty doubtful and I'm very skeptical right now, maybe because I'm in a bad mood. So let's jump into these and see if they can
put you in a better mood?
Yeah, put me in a better mood.
So originally this product was featured on Shark Tank. I just saw an ad for it on Instagram where you see all your ads these days. And then I went on their website, looked it up. They have a bunch of different flavors, still and sparkling drinks, and you just pick the flavors that you want, order them, they come to your house in about a week. I picked the summer bundle pack, so we have 6 different flavors that we're gonna try today. They do recommend to get the full effect of the drinks that you have one a day. So we might not feel the full effect right now, but we can always come back to you in a short and let you know how it turns out in about a week.
So we're gonna try 6 of them. Don't worry, we won't be driving afterward. I don't know if that's gonna be an issue, but we'll see. I do know that this company gives 1% of their sales back to nonprofit organizations that support mental health. That's a huge thing to me, and that's a very great gesture that the company's doing. So let's see how these taste.
And how we feel.
First impressions on these. The can feels really nice.
It does. It's soft.
It actually almost made me smile for just a little bit. They're vibrant in color. Got a lot of information on there. They look pretty good. Some of the flavors: sparkling lychee mint, sparkling cherry hibiscus, sparkling lemon turmeric, still blueberry ginger, still spiced mango, and still tulsi lemon.
And each can kind of gives you the ingredients and vitamins and adaptogens that are inside each of them, so you know what you're drinking. All
right, let's crack these things open because it's the weekend and I feel like I need a drink, even if it doesn't have alcohol.
So the first flavor we're going to try is the still spiced mango.
Well, this one has apple cider vinegar, a powerful elixir to revitalize.
I feel like you need some revitalization.
I definitely need revitalization. The serving size is 1 can. This one has 15 calories. There's 9 grams of carbohydrates, but it does have only a 3 gram net carb per can. So it does look like they use erythritol. According to the can, it's all natural and has no calories or effect on blood sugar. Let's crack the can. This one's the still spiced mango. Huh. Okay.
It smells really good.
It's very mellow in terms of flavor. This is the still, so there's no bubbling to it. I mean, you could definitely get hints of mango.
Yeah. I don't get any spice though. Maybe that's at the bottom.
Very light spice. Very light spice.
Maybe they're saying spice because of the apple cider vinegar. It's not like hot spice.
I don't know.
It tastes good.
It tastes like a fancy water you would get at a spa.
For sure. Spa water.
Yeah, but not like the massage water.
Two very different types of water. On to the next.
On to the next one.
Next one we're going to try is the still Tulsi lemon. Tulsi is a aromatic herb for mental well-being. Smells lemon-ish.
I like the smell of that one better than the spiced mango.
I like the smell of spiced mango better.
Yeah, the lemon doesn't taste like an artificial lemon.
No.
It tastes like lemon juice, but not sweetened, not enhanced. Tastes like a very natural lemon water.
Again, this one's a still, so there's no bubbles.
There's a light botanical flavor, or even medicinal.
Not in a bad way.
Not in an off-putting way, but just slightly more botanical.
Feels like you're drinking something healthy.
So I like this.
It's pretty good. And I bet if you liked more sparkly drinks, you could probably mix it with just some club soda to get that sparkly carbonated feeling.
And so this one actually only has 5 grams of carbs and 1 net carb, because 4 of those are from the erythritol also. And if I'm pronouncing that wrong, someone comment below, because I'd like to not say it wrong.
Yeah, we're saying all of these words wrong.
In terms of feeling though, I'll be honest, that wasn't an act. I was in a pretty bad mood. I am starting to feel a little bit calmer. I kind of have this tingly feeling. Do you have that at all?
Maybe slightly, but
I'm a little warmer.
definitely not warmer.
I think I feel some type of reaction to this right now. I am a little bit more at ease. Taking a couple sips from each of these. Let's keep the party going.
All right, number 3 coming up.
This one actually has probably the most exciting looking can. This one is the Still Blueberry Ginger. It has 3 net carbs, and the ginger is a peppery root for immunity. I love ginger. I would put ginger in everything, especially things that you're supposed to put ginger in, but even in things that ginger wouldn't be in, like a botanical drink.
I think that's where it should be.
Okay.
How many calories are in this one?
This one has 20 calories, so...
I think that's more than the others.
No,
Same?
that's right
Oh,
on.
okay.
So the first one was 15, the next 2 were 20. I'm excited about this one.
All of them are
Ooh,
very light.
Ooh, that one's good. I love blueberries.
I think we learned that in the MRE video.
I like ginger. Oh, and it's even sweeter than the other ones. The flavor's a lot more vibrant in this one than in the other 2. I really like that one. That one's really nice.
You can smell the ginger for sure.
Mm-hmm. But it's not where the ginger, sometimes you get ginger and it's too potent or too pungent where it kind of burns your mouth. This is just kind of a light ginger aftertaste.
It's good. It's very light, but you can taste both the blueberry and the ginger.
Yeah. By far, out of the 3
This one's
so
really
far,
good.
that one's the best one. Yeah, I could get with this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm liking that.
David's happy now.
This is the happiest I've been on an empty stomach ever in my entire life. I'm actually feeling pretty good. You're not getting warm. I'm getting pretty warm.
I'm getting cold, actually.
Okay.
But maybe it's different for different people.
All right, let's jump to the 4th one.
On to the sparkling flavors.
Oh yeah.
All right, this one is sparkling cherry hibiscus.
Hibiscus?
Hibiscus. Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. I think it's hibiscus.
One more time. Hibiscus. 15 calories.
2 grams.
2 grams of
net
carbs. All right, shall we crack it open?
I'm excited for the bubbles to hit my
Oh
tongue.
yeah, I forgot bubblies.
A bunch of little fairies dancing on your tongue at night.
I can't place the smell. Kind of cherry. Maybe it's the hibiscus. That one has a lot of flavor. Maybe it's the bubbles. I'm not sure.
The smell is definitely a lot more mild compared to the blueberries.
I think it's more of the bubbles.
Ooh.
The bubbles get the flavor going.
It's thick and custardy.
Yeah, there's like a creamy...
There's a viscosity to this one that is not present in the other 3. It's like a cherry cream
soda.
Cherry cream soda. I was thinking even maybe like some type of tart pastry. This one has some spice to it too.
Yeah.
Cinnamon? I taste cinnamon in this, but black cherry essence. Oh, organic cinnamon.
There you go.
Boom.
Look at that palette.
I mean, I wouldn't say is as extreme as like cherry cough drops or cherry lozenges, but with the botanicals and the light cherry flavor, it could come off a little bit medicinal. That cinnamon makes it feel very holiday-esque.
This would be a good Thanksgiving drink.
Yes, yes.
And it looks like it's a nice color too.
It does feel like someone just poured eggnog down my throat. It is very thick. It's a mouthfeel to this that is missing in all the other ones. You got to chew through it a little bit.
I think you also mentioned eggnog in our MRE video.
I think it's because I didn't have any eggnog this year, so I've just been missing it. The sparkling nature of this one is a good bonus, but I still like the flavor better for the blueberry ginger. Let's go to number 5.
All right. All right, our next flavor is sparkling lychee mint. Ooh.
So my mom's from the Philippines, and I grew up eating lychee fruit my entire life. Pretty much only from a can. If you've ever had them, you know they're like these little weird brain-looking fruit, but they have a hole in them. And I would put them on my fingers, walk around with my hands covered in lychee fruit, eat them as I went. The bar is set high for what this is going to taste like because those are fond memories.
Lychee mint, here we go.
It's getting hot.
Don't let us down now.
I am getting hot.
It definitely smells minty, but not in like a fake mint way. It smells like a mint leaf. If you ever got fresh mint from the store.
Oh, I can smell that one from here. And that one's less than 1 net carb, 15 calories.
That's really good. I like that one.
It hits you with a combination of flavors. The mint hits you right up front. The carbonation dances across your tongue. It's not until you get to the back of the throat that you really get that lychee fruit.
Flavor.
It is very subtle, kind of like all of these ones. It's not, these flavors aren't really punching you in the face, but you know they're there. It's not out there. It's not a flamboyant flavor. It's real.
They're real mellow.
This one's very refreshing.
Yeah.
You
I could see that drinking it by a pool
Yes.
in the
Yes.
summer. Just even though it's mint, you wouldn't think mint in the summer, but
That one's really nice because it washes the custard flavor, like the thick
thickness.
viscosity of the sparkling cherry. It kind of knocks that down. It is very refreshing. Mm-hmm. I can't stop smiling. These are making me feel better.
that's good. It says you should drink them for a week.
I did read a couple of reviews, and people say that they drink one in the morning, and then they'll have one later in the day when the day starts to dip or kick them in the junk. They have one of these as a pick-me-upper. So far, I could see that working. Let's jump into the last one.
All right, our final one is sparkling lemon turmeric.
Oh.
I'm excited about this.
I like that one for the anti-inflammatory
Yeah.
properties of turmeric because my face always looks like I got stung by a bunch of bees, especially after I eat anything with high sodium or drink alcohol. My face just blows up.
I'm a big fan of the lemon turmeric situation.
Crack it open. I'm ready.
It smells like something very specific.
Could it be lemon and turmeric?
Yeah, kind of. Like if you've ever made lemon turmeric water concoctions at home, it smells just like that. Mm-hmm.
Hand it over. I need to get a hit of that.
I could drink that all day.
So it's 20 calories, 2 net carbs.
I like that. I like the lemon. I like the turmeric. I need that in my life when I'm not feeling good.
Oh, that's lemon.
Yeah,
Oh, it gets you. That one, that's a different kind of lemon. That lemon
I like it.
comes out the gate hard. Woo. Oh, my eyes are watering. I wasn't expecting that. That's
I like it.
whoo. Okay. Ooh, that's one you can take some time on that one.
It's a sipper.
That's a sipper. This is the most pungent of all the flavors. I don't know if I like these flavors, but it's definitely the most pungent.
It feels like a pick-me-upper because it's so vibrant.
It definitely got my nervous system
Going.
I think this one is a morning drink.
That's what I was thinking too.
That's gonna kickstart the day right there.
Just get some natural juices flowing.
You always want the natural juices flowing.
You do.
So we've tried all 6, and I think my order of preference would be number 1 would be the blueberry ginger, followed by lychee mint, then the kick in the teeth with the lemon juice right here, and then tulsi lemon, sparkling cherry hibiscus, and coming in last place would be the spiced mango.
Okay.
What about you?
I like the kick you in the face one the most.
Okay.
With the turmeric charge. And then probably the lychee mint and then the cherry hibiscus. So all 3 sparklings were high on my list. Then the blueberry ginger, the tulsi lemon, and spice mango. Spice mango.
Okay.
It wasn't bad. It just didn't really do anything for me.
So I didn't buy these. Terry did buy them.
I did buy them.
So I don't know how much they cost or how you get them or anything like that. So this is
My time shine.
your time to shine. Tell me what we're in for on these.
All right, so I found them on the Moment website. You can buy them in packages, or you can buy a mix pack. I chose the mix pack because I wanted to try all of the flavors to figure out what we liked best. For this mix pack, I paid $54.
$54 for how many?
18.
Somebody math that real quick.
$3 a can.
Okay.
I
Yeah. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, that's...
It's not bad. It's a little pricey, but if you're drinking like an energy drink every day and you want to cut that out, maybe substitute this. It's the same cost. However, I do have an offer code for you as well, where you can get a discount on your purchase. It is going to be in the description down below, but I'll also tell it to you. It's First Timers 2023, all one word. You can use the link in the description box below and also type in the code at checkout, and you'll earn 15% off your purchase.
Now, would we recommend this? Probably should have said that before we gave the discount code. I'll tell you, I was super skeptical. I did not think I was going to like these. I thought my mood was going to get worse, actually. To be perfectly honest, I feel a whole lot better.
Do you feel lighter?
I do feel like I did. Feel like I did about 40 minutes of breathing exercises and visualization. So for me personally, I would recommend these, even if it was just a try. They really did make me feel better.
Yeah, I would definitely give them a try. They're a nice alternative to just energy drinks or alcohol or anything that you're trying to cut back on. You want to put something different in your mouth. All right, I guess that does it for this video. There's only one thing left to say. First timers.
High five.